Namaskar. ASI, Archaeological Survey of India, Shimla Circle, welcomes you to the Archaeological Site Museum at historic Kangra Fort. The ruined fort of Kangra is one of the 40 centrally protected monuments under the jurisdiction of ASI in the state of Himachal Pradesh. Situated at Purana Kangra, Old Kangra, this fort is testimony to the unforgotten splendor and prosperity. Its walls have witnessed several invasions. Given the strategic importance, Kangra has been the gateway between the plain country of Jalandhar Doab and the inhospitable terrain over the Himalayan ranges to the boundary of Tibet. The strategic political control and well-spread stories of treasure wells attracted several invasions. To name a few, the rulers of Kashmir, Tughlaqs, Mughals, Gorkhas, Sikhs and the British tried to bring the Kangra fort under their control. The devastating earthquake of April 4, 1905 imposed serious damage to the main fortress, temples and walls. On April 17, 1909, the Archaeological Survey of India undertook the task of restoring the fort complex to maintain its antiquity intact for the generations to come. The Archaeological Site Museum at Kangra Fort was opened to public on January 26, 2002 as an effort to preserve and display the rich history of Kangra. This is exclusively a site museum dedicated to the Kangra Fort. All the antiquities, sculptures and architectural members displayed in the Archaeological Site Museum belong to the Kangra Fort. These antiquities are capable enough and speak of the rich heritage of the Kangra Valley. These stones can speak only if one is prepared enough to hear them out.